What's going on, everyone? If you're like me and patiently waiting for your Cybertruck to arrive, you might want to check this out. This is a die-cast model of the Cybertruck, and it has got realistic wheels. It has got a screen in the middle, has got the Cybertruck wheels. It even comes with a little Cyber Squat that you can remove from the back. The liftgate cover opens and closes, and it has got realistic light. This comes from EV Base, a Tesla accessory company from where we have reviewed other products in the past. One of the most popular products from that company for us has been the over turbine wheel covers. We have also reviewed a lot of other products from them and will review more products in the future. As I'm making this video, using my discount code Shiva Tesla, you can get this toy for $51. All right, let's take a closer look at this, and then I'll show you everything that this has. As I said earlier, the doors actually open, and when you look inside, it has got a realistic looking Tesla seat, the type that was unveiled with the Tesla Cybertruck, and the seats are right here. And then there is also a little front screen that shows a Cybertruck picture, so kind of like following the typical Tesla's screen and what we have seen. This is everything like what we have seen, right? A really nice, a replica model of the Cybertruck. All the four doors open, and when we look at it in the front here, as you see, these are the Cybertruck wheels that was unveiled, and all the sightings that we have seen and the demos that we have seen has these wheels here. And then of course the front, as you see, this is the exact Cybertruck front that we have seen around. And the best part is there's these batteries here where you can turn on the light, and then as you see, the lights, these are the Cybertruck lights that we have seen around on all the sightings that we have seen so far. So that is pretty cool. Everything, just looking at everything here, this looks like the Cybertruck that was unveiled. And then over here, as you see, it has that red brake light over here, and this liftgate actually folds. So as you see, this is super cool. The glass on the top, of course, it is missing that tonneau cover maybe over here, but the Cyber Squad is here. And when we take out the Cyber Squad, we'll talk about what that looks like. But let's focus on the Cybertruck now. It has got this glass in the back. Again, so cool. I'm really excited. Here is another close-up view from the top. As you can see, it's the glass. You can see some of the seats over there. There's the front seat, the screen over there. And from the side, as you can see, this is so cool. Let's see if the front opens. Oh my God, I didn't realize the front opens too. That is so cool. Another super awesome detail they got this right is in the liftgate cover over here, you can actually release this. So this was how it was shown with the Tesla. The idea is that this Cyber Squad can just go up. This is not quite, it does not quite reach the floor with the wheels intact, but it's just super awesome to see that. This was the intention. That's what we saw with the Cyber Squad. And if you put the tires kind of out, you are able to just put this in through here. So in the back, there is of course that battery. It takes 3 LR44 coin cell battery. And then there is the off switch, the on switch, and the light switch. So if we flip it towards the light switch, of course, the front headlight turns on, and the rear tail light looks like those two lights turn on. That's pretty cool. And then if we flip this onto the on, what happens is that if you push this down, so it starts making noises, right? So that is when we know that this is on, and it's pretty cool. It starts making the sound effects here. The body of this car toy is made out of zinc alloy. The tires are rubber tires. The interior and chassis are made out of ABS plastic. It has a dimension of 6.3 inches by 2.17 inches by 2.17 inches with a weight of 9.88 ounce. And as you can see, if we push this forward just a little bit, like any other toy, then it spins. And the best part about this product, it actually works. Now here is the Cyber Squad. This looks like a replica of what we have seen during unveiling. They also put some spring to show you. Look, this is actually a functional spring to show you all the shocks over here, the suspension over here, and this is really cool. This is a bit small, But also this is a replica, of course, but this is really nice, and this the same way, it just rolls. What do you all think of this product? Are you a Cybertruck fan? Do you like this? How would you get it? This is awesome. This is a really nice, cool toy. I'm so excited about this. This is going right in my office as a display, and this is just super fun. A child in me just instantly comes out when I see a toy like this, and something that I'm very passionate about, Tesla, the brand, the products that they make, and having both Model 3 and Model Y, and I am super excited for the Cybertruck to come out, and I can't wait to get it. Thank you very much for your continued support to the channel. Let me know your thoughts about this product or any other product that we have reviewed in the channel. There's lots and lots and lots of products coming soon your way, so stay tuned for all of those. Thank you very much. Please make sure you're subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and families, and come back again for another video.